If you bake gluten-free during the holidays, I know it can feel like a lot. And this year, I am keeping things simple. As over the years, I've learned that baking does not need to be complicated to be special, it just needs to be reliable. So today, I'm sharing my two go to recipes: chocolate olive oil cake and maple oat cookies that my family absolutely loves, and I know so will yours.
First up is gluten-free chocolate olive oil cake. This one is inspired by Julie Danilak's recipe from the book Meals That Heal Inflammation. I love this recipe because it doesn't try to be something it's not. It's rich, moist, naturally gluten-free, no complicated steps, and no weird textures. The olive oil keeps it soft, the chocolate flavor is deep, and it's one of those cakes that even people in my family don't realize it's gluten-free. It's based on gluten-free oat flour, though it also works beautifully with a nut or seed flour of your choice. I am using applesauce and ground flaxseed instead of eggs, along with cacao powder. If you want to try it, I've linked the full recipe in a description. This is the kind of dessert I feel good serving to my family and friends. The second thing I'm baking is gluten-free maple oat cookies. I love these cookies because they hold their shape, taste amazing, and feel really natural and comforting. They're made with gluten-free oats, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Simple ingredients. I've linked the full recipe in a description if you want to try them. For frosting, I'm keeping it super simple, just a powdered sugar icing with milk, a little vanilla, and a pinch of salt. You can also add food coloring here if you'd like. I've learned that when the cookie is good, the frosting doesn't need to compete. It's just there to add a little sweetness and fun.
I think for a lot of us, gluten free holidays come with pressure to make everything perfect. And this year, I am choosing ease, a couple of dependable bakes, less stress, more presents, and that to me is what makes it special. If you are baking gluten free this Christmas, let me know in the comments. What are you making? I'd love to hear from you. And if you are keeping it simple, good for you. I am with you. Wishing you a cozy, calm, safe, and delicious gluten free holidays. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.